For today's video, we will show you how to pay Spotify with Gcash. So let's begin. Now, if you are on your mobile device, open the Spotify app and log in using your credentials, or simply go here at the web version. Now, what we need to do is simply open the Explore Premium. And of course, you will be hovered down to the subscription plan for Spotify. Now, here are some reasons why you wanted to go premium, alright? And of course, there are corresponding fees depending on the subscriptions. Now, if you pick a simple plan, say for example, a one-time payment, and you hit get started right here, you are being asked if you wanted to buy 1 week or buy 1 day. Let's say for this video, let's go for 1 week. And a new window will appear. Now here's the part wherein we are going to ask on the payment method. And if Gcash is available on your region, you simply click on Gcash. They also offer Shopee Pay or Pay with a Mobile, Smart, Globe and Sun, and TNT. So basically, a Gcash, if I'm not mistaken, is only available in the Philippines. So if Gcash is available on your region, just click on Gcash, and you will be asked to agree on the terms and services. Just click on Start My Spotify Premium, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.